guys, I'm Ashla Taylor, and today I'm going to show you some uses for vinegar that you may not know about. Haven't cleaned your tent or your camping gear in a while? Well, vinegar is a great cleaning solution. Use undiluted vinegar as a cleaning solution to get rid of those funky smells. And if it's really bad, like really, really bad, soak the item in vinegar overnight. Also, to prevent or clean mold off your gear, you can use vinegar on a cloth or sponge, scrub the area, and let it air dry. Next is cleaning your grill. Mix equal parts of vinegar and water in a spray bottle and spray on the grill grates. Let it soak in and dry, and then use undiluted vinegar and an aluminum foil ball or a grill brush to scrub the grime away. Bug spray? Psh, too expensive. Vinegar does the trick. When you're out camping, spray your tent or your camping gear with vinegar. It works great as a natural bug repellent. So you got scorched by the sun. Don't worry, apple cider vinegar is known for soothing sunburns. If you got a sunburn, you can relieve the pain by lightly rubbing or even spraying white or apple cider vinegar on the affected area. You can reapply as often as needed. All right, guys, what other unusual uses for vinegar do you know of? Let me know in the comments below, and make sure you're checking out the new episodes of Red Hot Building every Wednesday, 3 p.m. Central on Rated Red's YouTube channel. From the cabin, I'm Ashla Taylor.